The United States has over 2 times more plant diversity than Europe. Even though Europe covers a larger area than the US, it has half as much plant diversity. Why is that? The best explanation has to do with the position of mountain ranges across the US and Europe. In the US, the 3 major mountain ranges, the Sierra Nevadas, the Rockies, and the Appalachians, are on the north-south axis. In Europe, however, the mountains range east to west. Seeds that migrate from the tropics have much easier access to the United States because the mountain ranges do not prevent them from crossing and reaching fertile ground. The mountain ranges in Europe effectively act as a wall, blocking a diverse range of seeds that are blown in from the tropics. On a rather unrelated note, what is the biological structure of a plant? The main components of a plant are its petals, sepals, stigma, style, ovary, and stem. The quantity and arrangement of these parts help with identification of specific plant species. One of the most useful identifiers of a plant is its leaves. Leaves can be in either simple or compound arrangement. For compound leaves, they can be arranged pinnately or palmately. Most ferns have compound pinnately leaves. A well-known example of a plant with compound palmately leaves would be the widely used drug Cannabis sativa. Another way plants can be identified is through their leaf positioning along the stem. There are 3 types of arrangements: alternate, opposite, and whorled. The difference between alternate and opposite leaves can be the difference between life and death when selecting which plants to eat. Once again, on a completely unrelated note, which cooking oils are the healthiest? Should you be using canola oil, olive oil, vegetable oil, coconut oil, natural butter? Let's find out. Fats play a crucial role in hormone regulation, muscle development, brain function, and absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Vitamins A and K, which are commonly found in leafy greens like spinach and arugula, cannot simply be dissolved by water. These vitamins require fats to be able to be absorbed and used by the body. This is why most salads are paired with oil in their dressing. It helps absorb the nutrients from the salad. Vitamin C, on the other hand, can easily be dissolved by water. There is no need to consume fatty acids alongside your orange juice. Clearly, fat is necessary, but too much fat, especially saturated fat and processed fats, can quickly become unhealthy. Saturated fats are known for increasing unhealthy LDL cholesterol levels, which can lead to clogged arteries and heart conditions. On the other hand, unsaturated fats can be quite good for you. They boost healthy HDL cholesterol, they reduce risk of heart disease, and have even been shown to reduce the risk of developing dementia. The term saturated comes from the chemical structure of fat where all the carbon atoms of the fat are saturated with hydrogen atoms. This means each carbon atom of the hydrocarbon chain in a fatty acid is bonded to the maximum number of hydrogens possible and cannot form more bonds. Unsaturated fats are not completely saturated with hydrogen atoms and contain 1 or more double bonds. Unsaturated fats are always liquid at room temperature, while saturated fats are solids. Butter, for example, is composed of enough saturated fat that the molecules can pack tightly enough together to form a solid at room temperature. In unsaturated fats, double bonds cause kinks in the molecular structure, disallowing it from packing closely together. Therefore, unsaturated fats will be liquid unless frozen at a very cool temperature.